Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ana Mardiana. I'm from class 2A of English Education Program in Gal University. My student ID number is 21092000034. Thank you very much to Mrs. Hajah Rita Apolonia MPD, the lecturer of Language, Curriculum and Material Development, who has given me the opportunity to make this video. In this video, I'd like to presentation about the resume material of Language, Curriculum and Material Development. For the first material is about language and English language. Language is an ability possessed by humans that is used as a media to communicate using signs. Language is the most effective communication media to convey ideas, intentions, and goals to others. Who use language for communicate? Language is used by all humans who are used to communicating and interacting between humans. This is based on human nature itself, namely social beings that must interact with each other in meeting their needs. What is language? English language is a Germanic language, which is an international language, because English language can be the language of instructions and social language in the speech area where there are different languages. What is the importance of English for us? As in the world of education, it can make it easier to get an education abroad. With English, we can be facilitated in applying for the job. English can introducing the cultural and linguistic diversity of these nations. In the business, English can help in developing a business. With English can promote and introduce our business in the international market, which can make our business more developed. And the next about curriculum. According to George A. 1976, he said that curriculum is defined as a written document that contains all subjects that will be taught to students through a choice of various disciplines and the formulation of problems in everyday life. And the importance of curriculum in education. Curriculum is one of the important components in the implementation of education to achieve educational goals. So the curriculum is a plan and arrangement regarding the objective, content, learning materials, and methods used as a guide in teaching and learning activities to achieve educational goals. Why curriculum always exchange every time the Minister of Education exchange? The curriculum exchange every 5 years is due to the improvement towards a better national education with the following: the change and developments of the times that continue to demand education in Indonesia to change for the better, including the improvement of the curriculum. Along with the times, science also developed which is required to produce new approaches, methods, and theories in fulfilling the teaching and learning process. There are several types of curriculum that have been applied in Indonesia until now. The Lesson Plan Curriculum 1947, Unreformed Lesson Plan Curriculum 1952, Curriculum 1964, Curriculum 1968, Curriculum 1975, Curriculum 1984, Curriculum 1994, and Curriculum 1999. Competency-based Curriculum 2004, Education Unit Level Curriculum 2006, and the last curriculum 2013. And the next about syllabus. According to Aisha, 2011, she said that syllabus is a learning plan for a particular subject or group of subject which includes competency standards, basic competencies, subject matter, learning activities, indicator of competency achievement for assessment, time allocation, and learning research. Why is syllabus important in teaching and learning process? The syllabus can make it easier for a teacher to carry out the teaching and learning process because in the syllabus there is information about the lesson plan and systematic assessment. So, teachers can see, observe, analyze, and predict the teaching and learning process who is well planned and structured. And the component in the syllabus: subject identity, school identity, core competencies, basic competencies, learning, time allocations, competency achievement indicators, subject matter, and learning research. And next, lesson plan and simple lesson plan. According to Nur Hadi 2004, lesson plan is a plan or program completed by the teacher for 1 or 2 meetings to achieve the target of one basic competency. Lesson plan is from the syllabus that has been prepared and is applicable in class. Why the teacher must prepare lesson plan before teaching? So that learning takes place more systematically, facilitate the analysis of student learning such as regulating learning patterns, save time and energy, and the last, learning evaluation method as well as reflections. And the next, the component in the lesson plan. School name or identity, the identity of the subject or term or subterm being 2, description of class or level and semester, main material, core or subject, allocate the length of time for the learning process, core competencies, basic competence, indicators of competent achievement, learning objective, materials or content of teaching materials, methods in the learning process, media in and source of teaching materials. The step of learning activities consists of introductions, core, and closing. And the last, assessment during the learning process. And the next, what is simple lesson plan? Simple lesson plan is a face-to-face learning activity plan for one or more meetings with the core components that can be created in just one page. The three core components are learning objective, learning steps, and learning assessment, while the other components are complementary. The component in the list simple lesson plan. During the COVID-19 pandemic, the components in the simple lesson plan consist of three core components. First, learning objective. Second, learning step or activities consist of preliminary activities, core activities, and closing activities. And the third, learning assessment. Summary of remote learning modules for junior high school. In grade 7, for Module 1, what does it look like? Lesson 1, what do you know about it? You will be able to explain various kinds of information about the description of people, things, and animals. Lesson 2, why not explore more? You will be able to identify the social function, genetic structure, and linguistic features of descriptive text about people, things, and animals. For Lesson 3, will you practice? You will be able to apply your knowledge about descriptive text jointly with your teacher, friends, or family members. And the last, lesson 4, will you perform? You will be able to apply your knowledge of descriptive text independently. And the next, Model 2, this song is just for you. Lesson 1, what do you know about it? You will be able to expand various kinds of information about teenage life. Lesson 2, why not explore more? You will be able to identify the social function and linguistic features of song lyric related to teenage life. Lesson 3, will you practice? You will be able to apply your knowledge about the social function and language features of song lyrics jointly with your teacher, friends, or family members. And the last, lesson 4, will you perform? You will be able to apply your knowledge about the social functions and language features of song lyrics about teenage life independently. And the next, in grade 8, for Module 1, happy birthday to you. For Lesson 1, what do you know about it? You will be able to expand various information about special days. Lesson 2, why not explore more? You will be able to identify the social function, genetic structure, and linguistic features of greeting cards related to special days. Lesson 3, will you practice? You will be able to create greeting cards related to special days jointly with your teacher, friends, or parents. For Lesson 4, will you perform? You will be able to create greeting cards related to special days independently or individually. And the next, in grade 9, for Module 1, let's make it. For Lesson 1, what do you know about it? You will be able to explain first information about recipes and manuals. Lesson 2, why not explore more? You will be able to identify the social functions, genetic structure, and linguistic features of a procedural text in the forms of recipes and manuals. Lesson 3, will you practice? You will be able to apply knowledge about procedural text jointly with your teacher, friends, or family members. And the last, Lesson 4, will you perform? You will be able to apply your knowledge of procedural text and individually. And the next, Module 2, Once Upon a Time. For Lesson 1, what do you know about it? You will be able to expand various information about narrative text. Lesson 2, why not explore more? You will be able to identify the social function, genetic structure, and linguistic features of a narrative text in the forms of fairy tales. For Lesson 3, will you practice? You will be able to apply your knowledge of narrative text jointly with your teacher, friends, or family members. And the last, lesson 4. Will you perform? You will be able to apply your knowledge of relative facts independently. Maybe that's all my presentations. Please apologize for my mistake and thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.